guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video for pastel crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a infinity fish. I saw this girl, credits to her. I think her channel is named Renati. I'm not sure how to pronounce her, but credits to her. I think that was the only one that I saw that did this tutorial. I don't know. I think I saw a few more people, but I wanted to make a tutorial. So the first step is to get your outside color and cross. Then get your inside color and put it on top. Now get your next color and put it on top of the pink color. And now this is what you should have. You should have a white crossed, a pink on top, and a purple on top. Now you're going to take your your bottom white band and loop and do the same to the other pin. Now you're going to do this. You're going to make sure they're separated and add your next color. And then get your pink band and put it on top. I think something went wrong. Okay, wait. You have to make sure the white band is in between. I'm sorry. It's kind of hard because sometimes it changes. And now you're going to get your next color band and put it on top. Then you're going to take this purple band and put it under. Take the white band and put it on top. Take the purple band under, take the white band on top. Now you're going to get your white band and put it in between both of them. Put it in between. And take the purple band and put it down. Take your other purple band and do the same. And now get your purple band and put it on top of the pink band. Then take the pink band, put it under the white band, and take the white band and loop. Take the pink band, put it under the white band, take the white band and loop. Really easy steps. Get your white band, put it in between both, like this, just like that. Then you're going to get your pink band and put it in between both. And now this is what you should have. Now get your pink band and put it on top. And take your white band and take your purple band and put it under the white band. Take the white band and loop. Take the white band and put it under the white band. Take the purple band, put it under the white band and loop. Then take your white band and put it in between. And take the purple band and loop. Take the other purple band and loop. This is what you should have. Now get your next color, put it in between, or put it on top, then take your pink band and put it under the white band and take the white band and loop, put the pink band under the white band and take the white band and loop. Now spread. Take the white band and put it in between both colors. Then take the pink band and loop. Then take the other pink band and loop. Now, take your pink band and put it on top. I'll show you this last time. And then take the purple band, put it under the white band. Take the white band and loop. Take the purple band under the white band. And take the white band and loop. This is what you should have. Pause the video to finish the bracelet, and then you can unpause so you can see how to end it. Now take your C or S clip, put it in between both, then do that to the other one. And this is how it's supposed to look like. Put it in between, then take the end and hook. Since this is too tiny, I can't hook it, but you take the ending, which is the white, and hook it to your pin. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and crafts. Bye!